guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this super pretty colorful aqua blue eyes paired with the nude lip, which is perfect for the party season. And this is a very easy makeup look, guys, which you can actually recreate. I have used only 3 eyeshadows for creating this look, which is the best part of this makeup look. So you can use any similar shades you have in your collection. So I hope you're gonna like it, but before going to that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and let's get started with this makeup tutorial. So for prepping your lips, you just need to apply lip balm, for which I am using the Maybelline Babylips in the shade Highline Wine, and now I'm going to use a primer. So for the primer, I'm using the Pac PORE primer, and this is my favorite primer, guys. It works so well on my skin. It actually fills my pores, but it doesn't make my skin look very overly matte or dehydrated. I just love it, and makeup sits so well on this primer. So you can see this has really applied nicely on my face. So I'm gonna just let this sit on my face for around 5 minutes, and in the meantime I'm gonna do my eyebrows, for which I'm using this EYEBROW Paris a 3D Sculpt eyebrow kit, which comes with 3 eyebrow powders and 1 brush. And I'm gonna take a spoolie and brush it through my brows, and then gonna brush it down to know the natural eyebrow line. And now I'm gonna take the single middle shade from the palette and started on just outlining my brows like this. And you can see, guys, this is really pigmented. So using small strokes, I'm gonna fill this in, and this product is really useful. With this product you can actually do your eyebrows within minutes, and the brush it comes with is equally good. So I just love this eyebrow powder, guys. If you want to try an affordable eyebrow kit, you can try this one. It's in an affordable range and the quality is really good. So I'm just concentrating the powders in the outer part of my brows, and then whatever product is left, I am just putting it in the front part to make it look really natural and nice. And I'm gonna clean out the edges, for which I'm taking concealer in a flat shaded brush and then just cleaning my eyebrows with it. So cleaning your eyebrows makes your brows look really lifted and nice. It actually makes your brows look really prominent on your face. So make sure you blend the concealer which you are putting surrounding your brows. You can even use a foundation for this purpose as well, but make sure that you blend this in really nicely. So you can see I'm just blending this in, and this is how my brows are looking now. So now I'm gonna do my face makeup. So at first I'm taking this LA Girl foundation. Basically this is a matte foundation, the pro matte version, and mixing it with the this guy's Cosmetics Rainbow Glow Oil. So this is a matte foundation, guys, but it's the weather is getting drier day by day, so I just want that dewy looking face, hence I'm mixing a little bit of oil in it. You can use this hack as well. Just mix a little bit of facial oil in your matte foundation, and this will just become really a nice dewy foundation. So I'm just putting this with the help of my fingertips all over my face like this, and this foundation has got a really nice shade. The shade Light Tan actually matches with my skin so well. So using the disguise sponge also, I'm just blending this in, and you can see this is just giving me such a nice medium to full coverage, and it's easily blendable. You don't have to just work very harshly on your skin to blend this foundation in. I'm using the sponge to blend this in, and you can see this has covered up my pigmentation dark spots so well, and it has added a really nice dewiness to my face, which I absolutely love. Now for the concealer, I'm using this NYX HD Photogenic concealer in the shade Fresh Beige, which actually matches with my NC41 skin tone. So I'm putting it under my eyes, also using it as an eye primer on my eyelids. So this is having a really nice thin texture, which is easily blendable. You don't have to work so harshly on your skin to blend this concealer in, and it has got more like a sheer to medium coverage, more on the medium side. So for an everyday look, you can even use this concealer. So you can see this is just adding such a nice healthy glow to my face, which I absolutely love with this concealer. So you can see my face is now well concealed. Now I'm gonna set my concealer with the help of the banana shade from this Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm gonna only set the areas where I have put the concealer on, because I just want my face to look really glowy and nice, and I don't want that sort of powderiness on my face. So I am just setting under my eyes, my eyelids, my nose, around my mouth, and just gonna set a little bit on my jawline. So you can see this is how I have created my base makeup, which is completely done, and this is how my face is looking now. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. So for the eyes, I'm at first taking this Ultimate Shadow Palette from Kiss Beauty in the shade 05. At first, I'm taking this light brown shade in a fluffy blending brush and applying it all over my crease like this. So you can use any light brown you have, guys. This is just a transition color which you need to use while creating this look. So I'm slowly building up the shade all over my crease like this and blending it very nicely. And I'm going to take this dark brown shade from the palette in a tapered blending brush and place it right in the outer corner of my eye like this, and then just drag it towards the crease and blend it with the previous transition shade. So this will automatically help in creating a really nice gradient on your eyes, and this just helps in making your eye look so nice and gorgeous. So make sure you blend it really nicely. Now taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges so that there is no harsh lines and everything looks really nice and diffused. Now I'm gonna take this NAPTUNE eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed, which is basically the dupe of the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession palette, and I'm gonna take this gorgeous matte aqua blue shade from the palette and spritz a little bit of fixer on it because it has got a little bit of fallout. So make sure you apply a fixer when you are using very intense matte eyeshadow as well. So I'm just applying this all over my lid like this, guys, and you can see this is such a pretty shade. I just love blue colors, and this sort of blues actually makes your makeup look so nice, and it just gives you that sort of festive or vibe, occasion vibes to your makeup look. Now I'm gonna take this dark chocolate brown shade from the palette again and just intensify my outer corner a little bit to just make it diffuse with the lid shade that I have put on my lid. Intensifying that blue shade again on my lid to make it look a little more intense as usual. Now I'm going to take this Incolor gel eye pencil in the shade Jet Black and tightline my upper waterline with it to just make my lashes look really full and nice. And for my lower waterline, I'm going to use a nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild. So you can use any beige or white eye pencil for this purpose as well. So using a nude or a beige eye pencil on your waterline makes your eyes look really open and more like a doll. So I just love this sort of eye look. Now for the liner, I'm using this Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner pen in the shade Black and gonna create a really nice winged eyeliner on my eyelids. So this eye look needs a really pretty long wing, guys. So using small strokes, I am creating a nice wing on my eyes, and this eyeliner is equally good. It has got a really nice pigmentation. It's jet black and it just helps in creating really precise nice wings. So you can try this one as well, guys. It's really inexpensive as well. Now I'm gonna use mascara, for which I'm using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and this is how the wand look like. And this is basically more like an everyday volumizing mascara. It doesn't give that sort of volume to your lashes, but it actually helps in separating your lashes so well. And in person, people will notice that you have got really nice lashes. So it's not as volumizing as my Maybelline Lash Sensational one. So I'm gonna add good 2 coats of this mascara on my upper as well as on my lower lashes. And now I realize that I have forgotten to apply anything on my lower lash line, hence I am using this matte blue shade from the palette again and running it all over my lower lash line. And this just changed the game, guys. It looks so pretty, so nice, but you have to smudge it really well to make it look really diffuse on your lower lash line. Now intensifying that mascara again on my lower lashes to make it look really natural and prominent. So you can see this is how my eyes are looking now. I'm gonna wear a pair of falsies from Baby Beauty, and this is how my eye makeup turned out. So you can see my base is done. I have done my eye makeup. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face. So I'm going to do my face contouring, for which I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, which comes with a contouring shade as well as a banana highlighting shade. So at first I'm taking this contouring shade from the palette and applying it right under my cheekbones like this. I'm using the Wet n Wild contour brush. So make sure you blend it really nicely. So contouring actually helps in making your face look really structured, defined, and you just want that sort of structured, defined, lifted look on your face. So contouring is a must. So I'm putting it on the areas where I just need to add artificial shadows to make my chubby cheeks look a little bit slimmer, and also hide my double chin with the help of the same contouring shade. For the blushes, I'm using this Matte Illusion blush from a Color Bar in the shade Veiled Merlot, which is such a pretty deep peach shade. And this is such a pretty blush, guys, which I really like, and I'm just adding it on the apples of my face, and also gonna put it on my nose and also a little bit on my forehead to just make my face look naturally blushing from within. So a peach blush is necessary when you are creating more like blue or green toned eye makeup. Now for the highlighter, I'm using my favorite, all-time favorite Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Molten Rosegold. So using a highlighting brush, I'm gonna apply it on the highest points of my face, and this is such a pretty champagne rose gold shade, which is suitable for Indian skin tone. So you can see I'm putting it on my cheekbones. I'm gonna apply it on my forehead, on my nose, on my cupid's bow chin, where a light just hits on. So highlighter is a must when you are just doing party makeup or any other makeup for occasions or parties when you just want your face look really glowy and nice. I'm also highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with the same highlighter as well, and also gonna highlight my brow bone with the same highlighter. Now for the lipstick, I am using my current favorite. This is the Lakme Absolute Matte Lip Color in the shade Nude Hit. Such a pretty warm peach shade, having brown undertone, suitable for Indian skin tones, and it looks the prettiest on medium to British skin tone, guys. If you belong to a dark skin category, if you can even apply a dark lip liner underneath and apply this lipstick, and this will look really gorgeous on you. You can see this is looking so pretty. It has got a really thin texture. You can layer it on and it will not look crusty on your lips. Highly recommended, guys. I just love this nude lip shade. Now to set my face, I'm using this Shy Style makeup setting spray. So this will help in just lock it everything, and just may help my makeup last for a very long time. So I'm just spritzing it all over my face, and this is how it turned out. So this is the finished look, guys. This is how it turned out, and I'm super happy how I created this look. This is very easy, colorful, pretty look. And if you like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. And you can even recreate this look and tag me on Instagram. I love you so much. Bye.